Welcome to the channel. In this video, I will be showing you how to make your Instagram account private. First, open up Instagram. Once Instagram is open, you want to go to your home profile at the bottom right of the screen. Before we make our account private, let me quickly explain what it does. If your account is public, people will be able to share your posts without following you and view your profile without following you. But when your profile is private, people who don't follow you can't see your posts, your following lists, and things like that. So now what you want to do is press the three lines at the top right of the screen. Once here, you want to select the settings option. And now you want to select the third option down, privacy. And from here, you want to change the first option, private account, and press the button on the right of the screen. Switch to private account. Only your followers will be able to see your photos and videos. This won't change who can message, tag, or mention you. But you won't be able to tag people who don't follow you. And then confirm switch to private at the bottom of the screen. And now your account is private. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, comment and subscribe, and I hope to see you again soon.